Hey guys, and welcome back to another What I Eat in a Day, showing you guys some more healthy recipes and easy meal ideas you can make that of course taste good. I am so excited for today's recipes. So far this morning, I've just had my normal coffee. I am obsessed with the Ezra's dark roast. It is the perk coffee. Here, I can show you. It is a really high altitude organic coffee. It's the perk one, my favorite. But we are going to get breakfast going. Of course, I'm hydrating with my LMNT electrolytes every morning. I hydrate first thing, especially when you've been dehydrated overnight. I find just hydrating with the electrolytes first thing in the morning really helps, but we'll get more into that later. For now, let's make some caramelized banana French toast. This is everything you're going to need for the French toast. So I'm using some gluten-free sourdough, a couple eggs, some nut milk. I just have walnut milk opened right now, some cinnamon, the banana, which is gonna be that we're gonna caramelize, some protein powder, which is optional. You don't have to use it, but it boosts the protein. And I'm also gonna make a little cream cheese glaze for it using this vegan cream cheese. This is my favorite vegan cream cheese. So this is our caramelized banana protein French toast, perfect for the cozy rainy day that it is. So since it's a cozy Saturday, I thought I would make the shepherd's pie that you guys have seen on my Instagram that so many of you wanted the recipe for. Well, it's my take on a shepherd's pie. I think it's like we're gonna modify it. So we're gonna have like a sweet potato cauliflower topping instead of a regular potato. And then we're gonna do some organic grass-fed ground beef, mushrooms, some pepper. You also need some tomato paste. Of course, we've got to start with onion and garlic. This will be the topping, and we're gonna have a nice hearty lunch. So I was just about to refill my water with my electrolytes. As you guys know, big fan of LMNT. I've been using it well over a year. It is my ride or die. It is in my purse. It is in my travel bag. I have at least one per day. This one is the orange one, which I like, but I think my favorite is the raspberry or the citrus. They also have a chocolate salt that is good in coffee, because coffee is actually diuretic, which is dehydrating. You put a little chocolate salt in your coffee, then it makes it a bit less dehydrating, more hydrating. You get electrolytes, a little hint of chocolate. It's so good. But I also like the fruity ones just for day to day. So I'll take some and I'll just empty it into my water, and it makes it super easy. Also because they are travel packs. These are also clean. You guys know I am a stickler for ingredients. The cleanest electrolytes I have ever found, and they taste good. There's no weird artificial sweeteners or anything like that. Paleo friendly, keto friendly, all of that jazz. They're so good, full of minerals. And actually, a lot of symptoms can be sometimes attributed to deficiency in electrolytes. So carb cravings during the day, cravings in general, muscle aches, headaches, fatigue. If that was all solved by just making sure you have enough electrolytes, magical, right? So especially given that I'm working out today, I wanna make sure I have enough electrolytes. These ones are my favorite flavors. So the citrus raspberry, the chocolate, and the mint chocolate.
I'm pretty much sure I said this before, but this one's really good in smoothies or in coffee or in tea. Either way, you can follow the link on the screen and try out your own sample pack. All you have to do is pay shipping, and it's like $5, and you can figure out which one are your faves and then let me know.
So this is our final shepherd's pie. It is, as you can see, steaming hot from the oven. I just put some fresh parsley on it, but it's such a warm and cozy meal. So it's a little while later. I'm about to get started on dinner. I'm going to make a chicken coconut curry. I'm going to have cauliflower rice with it. It's a really easy recipe, and honestly, it tastes so good. You only need a few simple ingredients. So I have half a pepper, the other half from the shepherd's pie that I made earlier, some onion, a clove of garlic. Then you're going to need red curry paste, coconut milk, coconut aminos, some almond butter, and then just some basil to top it, and of course, whatever protein you want. So I'm gonna get some chicken out of the fridge. So this is the finished coconut curry. We have a his and a hers. I have mine with cauliflower rice, and then this is just brown rice. So good, honestly, I wish you could smell it. And we're about to watch Below Deck sailing off. I'm not a big fan of reality TV, but there's something about Below Deck that just gets you hooked. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I'm going to leave my last what I ate in a day here on the screen. And don't forget to check out LMNT and try their new flavors. They have a mint chocolate as well that is so good. If you have like a mint chocolate kind of liking like I do, it's awesome as well. But let me know which one is your favorite. Get your free sample pack. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.